This is an activity that I call blind trust. There's a series of activities that help build rapport and trust between the participants. This activity, one person is blind, they close their eyes, and their partner guides them carefully around the room and maybe takes them on a journey and describes things. And at the end of the activity, we can have a feedback session. What did you discover? What did you discover about yourself? Was it easy or difficult to close your eyes? Did you trust your partner? Did you open your eyes? Why?